Hi, my name's Christopher, and I'm going to show you today, courtesy of MyContactApp.net, how to pop on your NFC sticker so that you can just keep on tapping. All right. This is a NFC sticker. You have one. I'm assuming you have the right one. You want to make sure that if you're putting it on your phone, that it's anti-metallic so that it's built for the phone and the guts of the phone don't interfere with the near field communication, the NFC, electronic stuff that's on the sticker. So, assuming you have that, the question is, where do you put it? Okay. And make sure that your phone is NFC turned on. So, my phone here is Samsung Note 10 Plus. And you see that? I have to actually make sure it's turned on. So, now that it's turned on, keep going. Then I want to make sure I put it in the right place. A lot of advertisements have you putting it here, and if you're not careful, you just put your sticker on there and you're like, yeah, cool. And oh no, not cool, because it's going to keep triggering it and keep triggering it. So check this out. Phone, I went to sleep, triggered it. So it's like a homepage, forced homepage. How often is that going to happen? Like, is it going to keep bam, bam, triggering? Well, I read in the forum with gentleman, yeah, he got his trigger. One of the tests I did here, it just kept triggering. So I encourage you to look around the phone, see where you can put it. It's going to be good. There's no place good on this phone except here. So that's where I'm going to put mine. Also, they are just stickers, all right? So especially in the age of COVID, we're wiping down our phone, we're using alcohol, it deteriorates. You want to make sure that you put it somewhere that it's going to, let me go back here. Make sure you put it somewhere that's going to be able to kind of shield it. And here I have a cover. So I put it on my phone and then I put the cover over it. It's perfect. It's going to last a while. My wife, same thing, put hers under the cover. Perfect. My son, he doesn't have a cover. He put his over his phone, and his just got ruined. He BMXs and skateboards, and it just got ruined. But it's cool. It's still there. It's just the beautification of it got ruined. But you know what we could do? Take it off, do a little alcohol, cleanse it, and then put another one back on. So know that if you bought one lifetime thing, whatever, you might end up having to get ruined. You're going to take it off, put another one back on. And then the last thing is the place that you might want to put it is your business card. I just put it on, one of my cards. I have the QR code, lovely message on there. ARC loyalty, show love first, one by one, always return kindness, because that's what the world needs. That's how we become a better society. But I put it on the card. Works the same, as you can see. Except here I program it to go to text. So that's how you pop on your contact coin by my contact app so that you can just keep on tapping. All right. And last tidbit, not every new phone has it. J7 doesn't have NFC. A20, A30s, Samsung don't have NFC. Lots of them don't. So just be aware of that and make sure the NFC is turned on. Keep on watching. I got more things. I just wanted to keep this one short on where to pop on your contact coin so that you can keep on tapping. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, because I'm going to give you other ways to share your contact information coming up real soon. And don't forget to visit mycontactapp.net.